Right, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. We're at Heathrow Airport, hoping to get our flight. The BA pilot strike's been the last 2 days, but we're all set to fly to Frankfurt to get to the motor show. So yeah, it's showing my flight will depart. So all looking good so far. So here we go. We've arrived. We got the plane, and now we've arrived at the motor show in Frankfurt. So we're going to go in. We're going to see if we can find that Land Rover Defender first, and maybe we'll have a look at some other things too. It looks like there's a superficial bit of polish going on here before the Chancellor turns up. Don't know if a bit of polish will be enough to resolve all the issues ahead with climate change and Brexit. It's going to be an interesting occasion. So let's see what happens. So we've got a press thing here, so I've blagged my press pass, so I'm gonna see if I can get in with the press and maybe have a word with Angela Merkel and see what's going on in politics today. So it's got busy all of a sudden. We got these two guys, I guess they're head at VW, were expecting Angela Merkel any time, so.
Auto ist außen so groß wie nur, innen deutlich größer, etwa die Abmessungen von dem Restaurant.
Yeah, the door's open, look.
Und wir setzen uns dann vielleicht kommt das?
Yeah, you can fit in. Yeah, it's a bit low. Yeah, the wheels are round. Oh, it feels nice. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah. Oh, we got some people kicking off. Oh, it's all going mad. We got some protesters. Oh, they're kicking off. Oh, Angela's got in. I've missed it. Oh yeah. Hold on, the steering wheel's on the wrong side. Angela, let's have a look. Now look at that, look. It's got a steering wheel. You can touch it. Goes down there. Oh, look at that. Yeah, he's happy, look. He's not so sure. Oh, out you get. Oh, easy now. Oh, look at that. So there we go. Does the back door open? Look at how the back door opens. That's brilliant. That's brilliant. That's brilliant. Oh, the boot. Is the boot going to look at that? Yep, you can get all your luggage in there. All your pink jackets, very good. Boy's done well. And then, oh, here we go. There you go. Yeah, it's a good car. Yeah. Right. Shall I ask if there's any advice for Boris? Thank you. Yeah. Let's try. Let's go. Thank you. Angela, any advice for Boris? No. So it's got even more interesting. Greenpeace guys have just started standing on the cars. It's getting outrageous here. It's all kicking off. What does climate? I guess that means climate killer, doesn't it?
Climate killer. Yeah.
Climate killer. Look at that. And there's a few over there. How did they get in?
Well, they just came in as a normal visitor with
yeah. And so there we go.
I think about if they get now these two cars, you get cheaper because
yeah, footprints. Yeah. Do you reckon if you get in the sunroof, you can see what size shoes they got? Let's have a look. Yeah. So where's Angela gone now?
She's the Audi.
She's on Audi now, is she? We're going to see if we can ask her any more on Brexit and any advice for Boris. But look at this. Greenpeace killers on the roof of cars. I'll go and have a chat with them. Let's have a look what's going on. So apparently VW are going to be selling a couple of cheap cars now. They got footprints on the roof. So there we go. So they seen me. Right, but let's get. There you go. Yeah. I don't know what that means in English, but it sounded good. There we go, look. So there you go, the T-Cross R line. Be ironic if they picked an electric car to stand on. But there we go. Yeah. Look at those. Oh. Right, let's keep going. Oh, sorry. Ooh, so all the excitement aside, we're now looking at an Audi. So let's have a look. Do the doors open on the Audi? Yeah. I think the grey matches the pink a bit better. Oh, where are we off to now? She's off. Here we go, all got to follow that way apparently, but no one's standing on the roof of the cars now, so that's good. Right then, let's follow everyone else.
Wir haben eine Kooperation mit der französischen Firma Isimai. Von uns stammt die Sensorik, die Augen, die Kamera, die Radarsensorik, in Zukunft Lasersensorik und die Steuerung, die benötigt werden, um so ein Auto autonom zu betreiben und möglichst komfortabel für die Passagiere zu gestalten.
So it's got all the lasers,
von uns stammen noch
all
die
the
Reifen,
gadgets, got a
ganz
step there,
wichtig.
look.
Sind Spezialreifen.
Brilliant, love
Die sind
that.
intelligent.
It's
Und
intelligent.
was muss von Conti ja noch übrig bleiben, nicht?
Wir sind ja ganz froh
No, I
drum,
think
es
it's
ist
brilliant.
nicht nur die Sensorik und die Intelligenz, aber Reifen sind wichtig, Bodenhaftung, glaube ich, in der Politik und der Wirtschaft, ganz wichtig. Jetzt dürfen wir Sie einladen, ein Stück Zukunft zu
See, look,
erleben.
easy now.
Bitte schön.
That's it. Oh, look. Oh. Have a sit down. Oh, look, you can all get in, look. You can go for a little drive. Oh. No, there's too many now. No. No, oh. Don't let Wing go now. Yeah. No, you gotta get out. There's not enough room for you. It's too heavy. Yeah. Look. It's not moving very fast. Go public transport. Next step. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Yeah, easy now. Yeah. Hey. We'll ask if she's got any advice for Boris when she gets out. Oh no, they're off. What?
Zur Halle 11.
Oh.
Die Presse bitte weiter.
Oh, she's off. Where's she going?
Rollt schnell, wie ihr seht.
Schnell, schnell. It's like being on one of those package holidays, isn't it? You've got to follow the lady with the umbrella. There we go. Well, he's got his stool. We're getting all excited. We've got an ambulance here. Where are we going? I'm following the press lady. Where's the bus gone? Everyone's excited, but where's it gone? They're all racing ahead. I'm staying with the tour guide. I'm a good tourist. Yeah. Look, press, come here. Look, that's right. Where's she taking us? All this journalism stuff, it keeps you fit. You gotta run. It's like Challenge Annika. Right then, there we go, press. That other girl was too slow. Hang on. We're with the IAA social media team here. Right then. Quick, let's go with the press. Where are they taking us? Where's the new Defender? Look, we're going past the new Defender. Big shout out for Land Rover. Past our constabulary friends. Cool, if anyone's considering a career in journalism, they want to get fit. Oh look, they're running again. Where are we going now? Press, press. I've got to show my badge to everyone. They all want to see on press. They all want to see on press. Press. Where are they going? Oh mate, he is pushing past me. Press, we're stopped here. We're on the BMW. Let's see what BMW is.
Für den heutigen Tag ist geschafft. Vorletzte Position.
Where are we going? Right, so I'm on the press stage now. Let's get Polly. Let's get up here. Let's get up here. There we go. We got a view. Oh, so she's going to come here by bus. So we're actually on the Opel stand. I thought we were going to BMW. Look, they got an old classic Nova or something over there. Check that Nova. Right, here we go. We're all waiting. Here she comes. This is to the Opel stand. Good morning. How are you doing?
Ja, sehr geehrte Frau Bundeskanzlerin, sehr geehrter Mattes, meine Damen und Herren, herzlich willkommen auf dem Opel-Stand auf der IAA 2020.
Let me do the talking.
Schön, dass Sie da sind. Und eine Menge hat sich bei Opel in den letzten 2 Jahren getan. Wir feiern 120 Jahre Automobilbau.
We haven't got any protesters here.
Wir haben im vergangenen Jahr 860 Millionen Euro Gewinn erwirtschaftet und wir investieren in die Zukunft.
It's really good. We got loads of cool people.
Ich war in der vergangenen Woche in unserem Werk in Eisenach in Thüringen, wo wir ein neues Fahrzeug produzieren, den Grandland X, und das sind gute Nachrichten für den Standort und Beschäftigung langfristig.
Yeah, it's the best car ever. Hold on.
Den Grandland X.
It's in red.
Ein SUV auch als Hybrid, den wir drüben auch stehen.
Yeah, no, that's over there, BMW.
Hier bei der IAA
This is
Opel.
Opel.
Um den elektrischen Corsa,
It's an
den wir
electric
gemeinsam
car.
entwickelt haben mit einer Reichweite von 330 Kilometer.
You just plug it in,
30.000 Euro,
and it goes.
wollen wir Elektromobilität für viele
And you won't have
entwickeln,
protesters
typisch
standing on your roof.
Innovationen für viele zugänglich machen. Ganz, ganz herzliche Willkommen.
Ab wann gibt es den dann?
Jetzt
Yeah.
zu kaufen in wenigen Wochen.
Can you get in different colours?
Anfang des Jahres 2020.
Und wo wird der produziert?
In Saragossa.
Yeah, it's brilliant.
An dieser Stelle, sehr geehrte Frau Bundeskanzlerin, auch ganz herzliche Grüße von Carlos Tavares, der natürlich sehr glücklich über die Entwicklung von Opel in den vergangenen 2 Jahren ist. Wir wollen übrigens die Batterien gerne auch in
It's
Europa
got a battery.
für den Corsa.
Sehr gut. Grüßen Sie ihn
It's
und
good.
sagen Sie ihm, er soll wirklich glücklich sein.
Prima, das mache ich. Und vielleicht an dieser Stelle auch noch ein persönliches.
She knows how to tell a joke.
Opel als traditionsreiches Unternehmen, Übernahme eines französischen Konzerns, ist immer eine politische Dimension. An dieser Stelle
Banter.
vielen Dank für die konstruktive Begleitung in den vergangenen 2 Jahren. Ich glaube, das gehört auch mal dazu. Herzlichen Dank dafür zu sagen.
Ja, danke schön.
Thank you.
Gerne geschehen, haben wir gerne begleitet und diese anderen Corsas, die werden auch noch weiter
They got these
produziert.
other ones,
Das
yeah.
ist der
That's
Corsa
a red one.
Benziner und Diesel.
Diesel,
Das ist der erste
oh.
Corsa, den wir im Jahr 1982 produziert
Yeah,
haben.
that's the old
Denn
one.
das ist jetzt die 6. Generation des Corsas, das
Yeah.
ist unser Volumenmodell und sind wir ganz, ganz stolz drauf.
Yeah.
Und das ist jetzt rein elektrisch.
Yeah, yeah.
Das ist rein elektrisch.
That is
Haben Sie auch
electric.
Hybridvarianten?
Bitte?
Oder haben Sie auch Hybridvarianten?
Hybrid haben wir in dem Grandland X, den
Aber
wir
nicht
jetzt in
in-
Eisenach,
nicht
nicht
im
im Corsa.
Okay. Gut, dann wünsche ich Ihnen viel Erfolg.
Vielen Dank.
Make them, get them done.
Zwischen dem Benzin- oder Dieselcorsa und dem
Der normale Corsa geht bei 15.000 Euro los.
Yeah, what are you gonna do with those
Der Corsa
diesel
E
cars?
Voll ausgestattet unter 30.000 Euro.
Do you tell the truth on your emissions? Thank you. Thank you very much. Right then. And where am I up to now? Yeah, brilliant. Here we go, past this way. Better not ask her whether what Boris advice she's got this time. Right, let's go for another run, see who else we can.
Für die Entwicklung unserer E-Modelle, unserer
Right,
vollelektrischen
it's full electric model, but it's not ready yet.
inzwischen 9 Jahre her. Und das hat auch gesagt, dass wir immer hinter der Elektromobilität gestanden haben. Und
Oh, protesters! Oh, shush! Oh,
ich habe gesagt,
get him off!
dass wir immer hinter der
Get him off!
Elektromobilität gestanden haben. Und die haben es auf den Weg gemacht, zusammen mit dem Automobilverband
Look at that, that's not
und
nice.
den Lieferanten. Und heute ist der E3, den sie damals sozusagen in die Schaufel gehoben haben, unser meistverkauftes Elektrofahrzeug und hat den höchsten Verkaufsstand in Deutschland erreicht.
Wie viel verkaufen Sie davon hier?
Why they were protesting an electric car, I don't know.
Und das hat auch damit zu tun, dass wir das Gefühl haben, dass wir wissen, dass die Bundesregierung hinter dem steht, das sei Dienstwagenbesteuerung, das sei die Umweltprämie. Das hilft natürlich, dass wir auf der Basis arbeiten.
Und das ist jetzt hier was für ein Modell?
Das ist der Das ist das nächste Modell, das ist die nächste Idee. Das ist ein Konzeptstudium.
Oh yeah, this is conceptual, you can't get this one.
21 Serien wird in Niederbayern gebaut mit deutscher Technologie. Und wir selbst natürlich voll elektrisch fahren mit der neuesten Technologie.
Thank you. We're off now. Close the door. There we go. Yeah. Thanks loads. Oh, little sit. Thank you very much. Yep. Right.
Ja, meine Damen und Herren, das war jetzt der Umgang beendet und es konnte uns davon überzeugen, dass wir nicht nur vor einer Unfall stehen, sondern dass es auch bereits Realität ist. Ganz
Protester on the roof over there. Look, he's unveiling a.
I don't want to hear of it. Please shut up.
I got it.
erheblicher Reichweite, auch mit Kosten, die nicht völlig abweichen.
Could be like a pantomime. So he's behind you.
Verkaufsbereit sind, produziert werden und bestellt werden können.
So we've got the protesters again, standing on the roofs of cars. This time they're BMW cars there. So we've got, it's a bit bizarre, we've got the Chancellor speaking here, and over here we got people campaigning on the top of cars. Now they've just had this 5 minutes ago, they really should have been on top of this, but it seems like the protesters are on top of it, quite literally. Now it looks like there's some security guys gathering to try and request them to get down. I don't quite know what they're doing, but they're having a little conflab, but it's going to be tricky to get them down from the top of a car. So security are clearly a little concerned. I've got to be fair to the protesters, they're not really reveling in it. They've got quite a serious look on them, and it is a serious issue that we're debating here. And electric cars aren't the total solution. We need to get the energy from somewhere. If electric cars powered on fossil fuel from a gas-powered fire station, then is that any better? It's good for cities and air quality for people that live in cities, but what, are we helping the planet overall? We got to address solar and ways of generating energy. So it is quite interesting. This guy's doing a little YouTube video. He's ignoring the elephant on the room, or the lady on the roof, as the case may be. Has it got a panoramic roof? Look, can you? Look, you can see her shoes. Look. So we've got the police coming now to remove the protesters. I think. Let's go and have a look how they go about this. They've got to be careful. You can't just tell people, so they're clearly going over to take a view of the situation and what they're going to do. Because they got 2 protesters on the roof and there's only 2 policemen. So it's going to be tricky. Yeah, so we got quite a surreal situation now. We got visitors at the motor show looking around the car and looking at the dashboard and looking at bits and pieces and kind of ignoring the fact that we've still got a protester on the roof. So it's going to be interesting. So yeah. So again, this one's got a panoramic roof. This one. Have they picked the cars with the sunroofs? I don't know. Nice. So yeah, they've given up now and got down. So yeah, get her a glass of water. It's taking her away. Get her a glass of water. There you go.